القرآن للذكر فهل من مدكر.
Alhamdulillah wa salatu wa salam ala Rasulillah. Welcome to the lesson on Mudd al Badl. This lesson is on another type of Mudd. There are many types of Mudd. In fact, there are over 10 types of Mudd in the Quran. Inshallah, we'll be covering only those. In this level, we'll be covering only those which help you in reading the Quran properly on a basic level. In the Tajweed course, we will be going through all of the different types of Mudds in level 2. Okay. So there's one special case of the diminutive Mudd which occurs in the Quran, and although it is read with a 2 haraka count of an alif, it is not written with a diminutive sign, and nor is it written with an extra alif afterwards. Okay, this special case is when the hamza is written like the following. So when the lam alif, the lam alif is when the lam and the alif are together and they occur in either in this form or the other form that we saw. So it was the lam with the flick and then the alif there on the top. Okay, so here we can say that whenever the hamza occurs without with the form of alif lam, with this alif lam, then this hamza will actually be read with a 2 count Mudd. So in this word it will be al-ayah, al-ayah. So it has a different form of this, which is al-ayat as well, al-ayat and al-ayah, or al-ayatu in this case, and al-akhiratu, al-akhiratu, and la-atiyatun, la-atiyatun, la-atiyatun. So when the hamza is written with a lam, meaning the lam, before it has a count of 2 harakat. So the hamza has a count of 2 harakat. Al-ayatu, al-ayatu, al-akhiratu, and la-atiyatun. And there are other, but these are the most common. There are others, but these are the most common. So remember, whenever you see the hamza written with this alif lam, okay, in these words specifically, then there will be with a Mudd, and this is called the Mudd Badl. There's also another hamza with a Mudd Badl which occurs at the beginning of the word without the lam, that has a vowel count of 2 harakat. This occurs on a few words in the Quran. Ati, and all of the forms of ati and amana. So we have ati and amana, amantu, amanna. So there are different forms of this, yeah. And the word of akharu and akhirun, okay, akharu and akhirun. So whether they have alif lam or not, they will always be read with a Mudd on the top. But these will be written like this, with this sort of small Mudd written on here. But when we say it's in the beginning of the word, they will be read as a 2 count of the harakat. Okay, so here we can see the practice. Now I will go through these, so just so you can see how they may be read. So this is atiyatun, al-ayatu, al-akhiratu, amana, al-ayatu, la atiyatun, ati, amanat, al-akhiratu, atayna, amanu, akharu, atu, لآتية, الآخرة, آمنت, لآتية, آخر, and لآمن. So these are the types of words that this occurs with. I believe these are the most common. There may be some more, and inshallah, if you come across them in the Quran, you should learn them as you're going along. So practice this and read this. This exercise should also be read to your teacher, and for them to authorize you to continue.
Salam Alykum. Be sure to download your free implementation workbook. We go through it step by step. All the videos correspond with it. We have laid it out very strategically so you can master Quranic Tajweed and Quranic Mastery and implement it while you go along. Okay, so be sure to download this and it will help you on your journey. It's free to download. The link should be in the description. Salam Alykum. If you enjoyed this video, guys, please like this video so we know you enjoy it, as we can make more. Please write a comment and tell us what you thought about the lesson. And don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe now. Jazakallah. Assalamu alaikum.